In Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the Chief Judicial Magistrate Kathua has directed the Senior Superintendent of Police to register a FIR regarding the custodial torture of two labourers from Punjab, India. The labourers were all tortured while in police custody. The court's order comes amid growing concerns about human rights abuses in the region. The FIR registration is a crucial step towards holding these responsibles accountable. The incident has sparked widespread outrage and call for justice. An independent probe in the incident is also expected. Dr. Shagufta has spoken out about the deliberate targeting of Kashmiri women by Indian state terror. According to her, women in the region have been subjected to various forms of violence and harassment. The Indian government's actions, they have been widely criticized for perpetuating human rights abuses. Dr. Shagufta's comments highlight the need for greater awareness and actions to protect Kashmiri women's rights. The international community, it has been urged to take notice of the situation. Women's rights activists, they have expressed solidarity with Kashmiri women. The issue still remains a pressing concern. India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's recent remarks on Operation Sindoor have been viewed as an attempt to shift blame from New Delhi's failed military misadventure onto the armed forces. Observers they have criticized Singh's comments, saying they deflect the responsibility from the government. Operation Sindoor has been widely seen as a military failure. The government's handling of the operation has been questioned. Singh's remarks they have sparked a heated debate. The opposition has demanded greater accountability from the government, and the issue is likely to dominate parliamentary discussions.